Are you looking to dive into the world of silver investing? Let's take a look at silver as an investment option and understand its unique benefits. Silver holds a unique spot in the market. It's valued not only for its currency and use in jewelry, but also for its practical applications. Industries use silver in electronics due to its ability to conduct electricity so well. This dual demand for both industrial and investment purposes sets silver apart from other precious metals. In short, it means that investing in silver can offer a mix of stability and long-term growth potential. So, what are the benefits of investing in silver? 1. Affordability. Silver is more affordable than gold, allowing you to start investing with less money. This affordability also enables you to buy more silver, providing the opportunity to profit if prices increase. 2. Inflation hedge. Silver can protect your money during times of inflation. When the cost of living goes up, so does the value of silver. This makes it a good choice for keeping your portfolio diverse and resilient against economic fluctuations. 3. Portfolio diversification. By investing in different assets, including silver, you can protect yourself against unexpected market changes. Diversification is a key strategy for minimizing risk and enhancing the stability of your investment portfolio. The most direct way to own silver is by buying it in its physical form. This can include silver bullion, like bars and coins, or even jewelry and silverware. Investing in silver offers a unique opportunity to diversify and strengthen your investment portfolio. By understanding the market, choosing the right investment strategy, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can navigate the world of silver investment successfully. The U.S. Gold Bureau offers a wide range of precious metals, including silver bars, coins, and rounds. Contact us at 855-387-3793 to explore our offerings and start your investment journey with confidence.